introducing our Scentifall basket roses. These wonderful fragrant roses have a fantastic rose fragrance. They've been bred in the United Kingdom for resistance to powdery mildew. One of the challenges often when you put roses in a tight container, they become more susceptible to disease. So the Scentifall roses have a wonderful high health status. They have fresh green foliage and then masses of those wonderful large rose blooms. They start off a dark lemon yellow and then age through to the lovely soft lemon cream. Once they've finished flowering, we recommend deadheading them, giving them a good feed, and within 6 weeks they'll be back in bloom again, providing lots of wonderful fragrance for your garden. These are also a great addition if you don't want to grow them as a hanging basket. You can also grow them in a pot or container or in the front of your border. They're Zone 5 hardy, so you can grow them in all of North American gardens, and they're available at your favorite garden retail store.